Hi everyone, this is Kejimo Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, this is the first time I think nagagawa ko ng reaction video kay Kyla. Kanta siya dito. Actually, hindi pa ito napapalabas sa Cozy Cove. So dito, may mga TikTok compilation na kasi na lumabas. So, we'll make a reaction video to On the Wings of Love and hanggang ngayon ni Kyla. So this is a live performance. So, sabay-sabay tayo ma-in love. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. GGG. Excited na ako ipalabas sa YouTube. Iba talaga yung texture ng boses ni Kyla, no? Orgasmic talaga ang boses niya. Oh, nice. Iba yung atake niya. Parang reimagined. Reimagine On the Wings of Love. Wow. Oh my God.
You would come with me. On the wings of love, up and above the clouds, the only way to fly is on the wings of love.
Nice.
Together flying high upon the wings of love. Yes, you belong to me, and I'm yours exclusively. Right now we're living, breathing each other.
Wow.
Inseparable it seems, we're flowing like a stream, riding free, traveling on the wings of love.
Grabe yung placement niya.
On the wings of love, up and above the clouds, the only way to fly is on the wings of love. On the wings of love.
Feeling ko na sana. Nandito din ako sa Cozy Cove with a coffee. Ang ganda. Hala.
flying high upon the wings of love.
Yes! Ang galing niya! Ang galing niya, ang galing niya. Wait lang, there's another one. This one.
I'm just so happy to share
This one is hanggang ngayon. This one is hanggang ngayon. May one of, actually, favorite OPM song ko talaga to. Ang galing ng mga taga Cebu. Ang galing ng mga taga Cebu kasi they have the chance to watch live.
Hanggang sa pagising mo, kailanman ika'y inibig ng tunay na iyong pinalama. Sa isang kahapon, sana'y mabalik.
Nice!
Mapawi ang pagluha.
I understand, Kayla. In love talaga yung boses niya.
Ano?
Puso. Nice. Grabe, simpleng-simple yan sa kanya. Kyla never disappoints. Okay. Wow. Oh my God. Galing niya. Never imagined. Wow. Nobody.
لأن صباحك يستاهل كل لذيذ البرومو.
Nice. Galing. Galing lang. Yay! Alright, there you go guys. That is all for today's video from Kyla, which is in the Cozy Cove. And this is KJ Vlogs. See you in my next vlog. Bye!